Hi, I'm Anita Monrroy, tu contadora, your accountant, your guide to creating, managing, growing your small business and bottom line. Welcome back to episode 12 of Mis Centavos. I'm your host, Anita Monrroy, your guiding star on this incredible journey of entrepreneurship. Today, we're laying bricks for a solid financial future. Yes, ladies, we're about to use our financial know-how to build a thriving, sustainable business. As business owners, we know that finances are the heartbeat of our business. Without solid financial management, even the greatest business idea can falter. But fear not, I'm here to walk you through every step. First up, it's crucial to understand your income and expenses. It's not just about how much money is coming in, but also how much money is going out. Are you spending more than you're earning? That's a red flag. We need to make sure our businesses are profitable. Second, don't forget about your cash flow. Remember when we talked about this in a previous episode? Cash flow is the money coming in and going out of your business. It's vital for keeping your business running and avoiding long-term financial problems. Third, always be prepared for the unexpected. As we all know, not everything in business always goes according to plan. That's why it's crucial to have a financial cushion, an emergency fund that can help you weather those tough times. And last, but certainly not least, it's vital to reinvest in your business. Got profits? Great. But don't forget, a portion of those profits needs to be plowed back into your business to ensure its growth and prosperity. Friends, building a solid financial future for your business isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. It requires patience, steady effort, and of course, a little Latina love. But remember, every small step you make towards understanding and managing your finances is a step towards success. That's it for today's episode. I hope that these tips help you build a solid financial future for your businesses. Keep listening, keep learning, and remember, as always, tú puedes, you got this. Be sure to subscribe to our podcast for more tips. All right, para más, find me on Facebook or on Instagram at Mis Centavos or on my website, miscentavos.com. I'm Anita Monrroy. Until next time, hasta pronto.